So we are back with Digital 5 Forces. Today, the digital forces reshaping business are so strong that we can argue that one day all businesses might become technology businesses. We can't wait for even days or months for things to happen. We must respond to the information that is generated within seconds, not even within minutes. The heart of digital technology is connecting the unconnected. It is not about connecting people to things, or things to things. It is also about what happens when they are connected. Companies are coping with this change so rapidly. So, the digital five forces, number one, we have mobility. Every person is mobile these days. They can go anywhere and connect to one another. Even we know people who have online businesses and they are traveling abroad and going anywhere, and they can operate their business with the cell phone or any other device they have with the internet, of course. वी हैव बिग डाटा. हम जानते हैं कि जब हम गूगल या किसी और ब्राउज़र पे वेबसाइट सर्च करते हैं, एट द बैक एंड हिस्ट्री में उसका रिकॉर्ड ज़रूर जमा हो रहा होता है. उसके अलावा ऑनलाइन भी जब हम किसी वेबसाइट को सर्च करते हैं, उससे रिलेटेड बैनर एड्स देखना शुरू कर देते हैं, इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं. सो व्हेन वी आर सोशलाइजिंग, व्हेन वी आर शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन, अ बिग डाटा is created at the back end, and companies can use this data to target their customers. सोशल मीडिया, हम सबका फेसबुक पे ज़रूर अकाउंट है, एंड वी शेयर आर पिक्चर्स एंड वी शेयर आर इंटरेस्ट्स. तो कंपनीज इस चीज़ को यूज़ करती हैं, इस इंफॉर्मेशन को. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हमने फेसबुक या किसी भी और सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पे शेयर किया दैट वी हैव इंटरेस्ट इन मूवीज़, तो हम न्यू एंड अपकमिंग मूवीज़ के एड्स अपनी पर्सनल प्रोफाइल पे देखना शुरू कर देते हैं. दिस इज़ हाउ इट वर्क्स. Cloud computing. Cloud is basically an online storage software, we can say. There are many other softwares available. For example, Dropbox. We can store our files and media online. We don't have to restrict on a single device. We can store it online, and we can access it online anywhere we go. We don't have to be physically present somewhere to access some file or some media that we want to share with someone. We can access it through internet anywhere we go, through any device. And at the end, we have artificial intelligence or robotics. Artificial intelligence क्या है? That is machines operating intelligently. They can be robotics, they can be any software, they can be any other machine. अब उससे क्या होता है कि they can help you out in your future purchases as well. They can communicate with you in your own language. So this was all about five forces, and in the coming series of videos we are going to discuss how businesses have reshaped with the specific functions. So till then, thank you.